Okay, so today is hair day. Yay. Don't we all love hair day? It's just something about like pampering yourself that just as a woman feels so good. So I am about to wash my hair. I have tape-ins in. As you can see, my natural hair is really curly, and then the tapes are like body wave. I honestly knew that I was gonna have my hair straight the whole time. Well, at least I thought, but I've been rocking like this little bohemian curl style. It's cute, but it's time to like get my hair done and get myself together. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I don't know, I'm thinking maybe like some cute pin curls. Maybe I'm gonna blow my hair out, flat iron it, and then yeah, I'm gonna probably do some cute pin curls. Honestly, tapes are so versatile. Like honestly, I had to just take it easy with the heat because girl, I was flat iron like it was my real hair, my real tresses. But these tapes are from my hairline, Flawless Tresses. Ladies, you must shop. I'm telling you, they may look a little crazy now, but when you see the end result, I promise you, you're going to be like, wow, this hair is like something I need. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. I'm about to blow my hair out, and you guys are gonna see how I go from this to flawless. Okay, so this is it fully blow dried. It's already so sleek. I will say that it is a lot of hair. It's not a lot of hair, but I have, like, my hair is a lot, and then the tapes, you know, they have to, like, the thing is, okay, when you have tape-ins in, you have to make sure you finally blow your hair out, because I personally don't like curls in my scalp, like feeling waves and stuff. I like my hair to be bone straight. So I do like each line, each track. So like I said, it's 160 pieces in my head. So therefore, yeah, it's gonna take some time. So yes, this is how it looks fully blown out. So cute. Let's get it up close. It looks like my real hair, honestly. I told you, y'all, I've been thinking this is my real hair. Like, this hair is so nice. Like, this is just blown out. Can you imagine when I curl it and when I curl it and flat iron it? It's just gonna give. So this is it blown out. I'm gonna flat iron it, and then I'm gonna do some pin curls, and then I don't know if I'm gonna sleep with them in. I honestly don't feel like it. I honestly rather wrap my hair. Like, I usually doobie my hair and put a head tie on, just so I don't mess it up and it stays in place. So yes, finish up my hair with me, the process. I'm almost done. Okay, so this is flat iron. It's a bit sleeker. Okay. Do you see how sleek? So next, it is time to curl. Yeah, I've been doing my hair since like 8 o'clock. It's like 10 o'clock. Being a girl is just so much. But yes, I flat ironed it. It's nice. And flat iron. Yes. Okay, so let me curl and then let's finish this bad boy up. So I just finished curling my hair. As you can see, it's nice and shiny and pinned up neatly. I am going to take down my curls and show y'all how my tapings came out, how wash day came out. I think this is gonna come out so cute. Honestly, I'm just obsessed with my tapings. Like, they're so perfect. I wish this was my real hair. Yeah, I really do wish this was my real hair. I think it's my real hair. It's my real hair. Who's gonna tell me it's not? So, yes, as I sip my coconut water, I am gonna let these sit and then I'll be right back to show y'all how my hair came. Okay, so I let the pin sit for a little bit. I changed my clothes. I felt like that robe was a little bit big, and let's be honest, it was. Oh, my booty looks good. But yes, now it's time to take them down. So let's take down my pins. I'm so excited. I think this is like the best part of having pin curls, is like taking the pins down. I just want to take them all out at one time. I honestly wanted them a little bit tighter, but this is fine. I did flat iron it. That could be it, you know, when you press your hair. But I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. And thank you for watching me slay my hair on wash day.